Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming both SIM cards are seated and the phone is on. This prevents errors. Once done, backup contacts and messages so you don't lose data. Now open Settings, go to Network and Internet or Mobile Network. This is where you control active SIMs. You do this because the phone treats Sim1 and Sim2 as separate profiles. Make sure to note which SIM is for calls versus data, so you can map services correctly in the next step. You now choose which services Sim2 should handle. This is the core switch. First, tap SIM Preferences or SIM cards to reveal Sim1 and Sim2 settings. Next, set defaults. Choose Sim2 for calls, SMS, or mobile data based on which number you want active. Also configure data roaming and the preferred network type for Sim2 and update the APN if your carrier requires it. Doing this ensures calls route correctly, and you finish by applying and verifying the change so everything works. Restart the phone to force a fresh network registration for Sim2, then test. Make a call, send an SMS, and load a web page on mobile data. If something fails, toggle airplane mode briefly or power down and reinsert the SIM to reset connections. Make sure the carrier has activated the SIM, because most problems stem from activation or APN mismatches. Contact support only after you've tried these quick fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.